Hi, my name is Dr. Shanique Alston, and I'm a homeschool mom, and I also tutor kids in math. I think one of the most important things that a child needs to know are the multiplication facts, because it can affect so many other things, right? It affects long division, fractions, decimals, percents, so on and so on. So you really want to take the time to make sure your children really know the multiplication facts. You know, I like for the child to know the facts as fast as they know their name, right? If you ask them their name, they don't hesitate. So as soon as you ask them a multiplication fact, 5 times 3, they should quickly say the answer is 15. Okay, so here's maybe something you can do to help your child practice learning the multiplication facts. So get a piece of paper, and then you're gonna fold it in half, okay? Fold it in half, and on one side, you're gonna write, so if for instance, what if we're working on the 4-time tables? You're gonna write the 4-time tables in order, okay? So I have 4 times 0, blank, 4 times 0 equals blank, 4 times 1 equals blank, 4 times 2 equals blank, and so on, okay? I have down to 10, you can go to 12, or whatever you like, okay? So you're gonna have the child do the multiplication facts in order. Okay, before they do that though, you're gonna, on the other side, you're gonna write the multiplication facts out of order. Okay, so on this side, you're gonna mix the multiplication facts up. So I have 4 times 4, 4 times 8, 4 times 1, 4 times 6, and so on. So you're gonna have a side in order, and you're gonna have a side out of order. So the first thing you're gonna do is have the child do the multiplication facts in order. Okay, so this side should be easier because it's just skip counting, right? We have 0, 4, 8, 12, 16, and so on. So this side should be easier. Okay, if the child understands what multiplication is, this side should be easier for them. Then what you're gonna have to do, they're gonna have the answers for the in order side. Then you're gonna have the child do the out of order side. And you're gonna tell them it's okay if you need to flip back to the answers that you did with the answers in order while you're doing the out of order side, okay? Obviously the goal is eventually over time, they won't have to hopefully look back at the in order answers. But when they're first beginning, have them do it in order, they'll have their answers, then have them practice out of order and tell them it's okay if you have to flip back and look at the in order answers as you're practicing the out of order problems. And again, over time, the goal is for the child to not have to look back at these in order answers. So do whatever it takes so that your child will know their multiplication facts.